Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Passwords Autofill. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings. Following that, scroll down to Access Passwords section. Now, just tap on Passwords options and click on green switcher next to Autofill, Passwords and Passkeys. So when I do that, as you can see, Passwords Autofill is successfully disabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!